Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we will install the Budgie desktop using the Yast Software Manager. So let us start. So open the Yast control center. Go over to the software management, that is the Yast Software Management. Open it. First, the repositories will be updated. So it will take some time. Okay, so I think the package updater is working in the background. So we'll have to quit. We will abort the software management or the Yast software management. We will go back. Let us go back. Let us minimize this. I will show you what to do. It is coming like this. Oh, it is getting selected. There is some issue in the cursor. Yes, now it is okay. You open the package updater. You see it is working in the background and it has got a lock on the packages. So the registry is locked, so we cannot change the registry. So at a time, any one application dealing with the packages will work. So I think it is trying to update the system. It is searching for the updates. Let us wait. Now you can see the message has come. The software updates are ready. So you can see it here. Let us do it through the package updater itself. OpenSuse Leap is regularly updated, friends. All the security patches and everything comes. Even the recommended updates application and the system application updates are coming. You can see here there is an update for the NTFS 3G file system. So this is the support packages for the NTFS file system. Then there is update for the Python. Then you have got the recommended update for the GDM, that is the GNOME Display Manager, and for the tar. So recommended update for the tar. So you have to install it. So you can install the package updates either from the terminal using the sudo zyper update, or you can use the package updater. So the total 4 packages are available for update. Size is 2.5 MB. So let us update it first. So now you can see the detailed packages that were updated here in the window. Okay, so now the update is complete. Package updater is shut off itself. Now let us go back to our software manager or the software management from the Yast control center. So now it can sync with the repos. Now head over to the patterns. So now you can see the last desktop we are installed and reviewed was the GNOME desktop. So now let us search for the Budgie desktop. I am preferring to install the Budgie, or we can go with the Cinnamon also, because both Cinnamon and Budgie are based on GNOME. So already the GNOME desktop is installed. So the installation size of Budgie and Cinnamon will be very comparatively less, and of course that will decrease the size of the downloads. So you can see here Cinnamon is there. Yes, Cinnamon is also there and Budgie is also there. So what we can do is we can go either with Budgie or we can go with the Cinnamon. So what I do is let us go with the Cinnamon desktop first, because Cinnamon is a full-fledged desktop. Budgie is a little lighter and it uses less components from the GNOME desktop. Cinnamon uses more components from the GNOME desktop. So we will do the installation of Cinnamon, and then in the next round of new desktops we will install the Budgie. So that will reduce the size of the packages and the dependencies also. So GNOME is the largest installation of the GNOME based technologies. Cinnamon is the intermediate size of the installation of GNOME technologies, and Budgie has the least installation of the GNOME technologies out of these 3. So we will go by the size of the installation and the technologies used from the gnome. So let us install the Cinnamon desktop. So when you click on the Cinnamon desktop here in the patterns, you can see on the right side which packages are automatically selected. Here you can see, I think the black ticks are to keep icon with the lock is the protected, so you should not modify those packages. So only the black ticks are there, no lock sign packages are there, or packages with the lock sign are there, and the green packages are those that are going to be installed. So the this black tick packages are already there. So you can, I was telling you that the Cinnamon uses the gnome technology. So you see this many packages of the gnome are used in Cinnamon desktop, and these are the Cinnamon specific packages. Those are marked with the green tick, and the black tick mark packages are already used in the gnome desktop. So these are the common packages. So this also will be used, and further this packages with the green tick will be used. So totally it will be the base for the Cinnamon desktop that you are going to install. So that's it. So you have to accept. It will again show you the summary of all the packages that will be either installed or kept by the package manager that are already installed earlier in the gnome desktop. So those packages plus the new packages, all total packages will be shown in a summary. You have to confirm and hit the continue button. So you see the size is just 135.80 MB. So if I had installed the Budgie desktop before the Cinnamon desktop, then many of the packages of the gnome desktop would have been removed, and the Budgie desktop would have been installed, and then from Budgie to Cinnamon when we go, then again some of the packages of gnome will could have been downloaded again. So that would have increased the total download size. To save the download, I have done like this. So first gnome desktop review, then the Cinnamon desktop, and then the next desktop to be taken for review will be the Budgie desktop. And after that, that will complete the total gnome based desktops, and then we can move over to some other desktop. So maybe we can go with the LXQT or any other desktop. Deepin desktop is also interesting. We will definitely check out the Deepin desktop also. So now we will wait for the installation to complete. Then I will close the video there, and in the next video we will check out the Cinnamon desktop of OpenSuse 15.4. So the installation is complete. Totally 157 packages were installed in 12.16 minutes. The total install size was 388.25 MB, and the total download size was 135.80 MB. Now you have to finish this, close this, and you have to reboot. So first you will have to reboot this. I will show you why. So you will have to restart this system. Now you will have to boot into the GNOME desktop only for the time being. Now what we will do is we will just check out. This is, we are going an experiment, so I am showing you the experiments only. So all my videos, it is an experiment. I am showing you how to do the way we are just experimenting with the different methods available to install desktop, uninstall desktop. We are trying it everything out so we can learn. I have already done this many times. I am a user of Linux since 2004, so I have done everything, but I'm just trying to show this to the new people, new youngsters who want to use Linux for their college studies or for their personal work. So now you head over to the software manager. Now you again go over to patterns. So here you can see the Cinnamon desktop has been now installed. So there is a tick with the black color. So there is no need of package kit to quit. We will say no. We will not even abort also. We can abort. Okay, we will abort this repo sync. Now we will go over to package classification and see if there are any unneeded or orphan packages. So there are no orphan packages, but there are surely unneeded packages. So this big number of orphan packages are there. So what we will do is we will let this packages here only. In the next video, we will uninstall the GNOME desktop and then check out the unneeded packages again. So it will show you the total number of all the unneeded packages. So those packages, you can see some of these packages here are from the uninstallation of the KDE desktop we had done earlier after we installed the GNOME desktop. So then there are some packages maybe from the uninstallation of GNOME desktop that we will do in the next video. So totally all the unneeded or unrequired packages will be there. So in one go we will remove them from the system, so we not have to do it 2 times. So with this I will now cancel this software management session. I will close the Yast control center, and I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will do the uninstallation of GNOME desktop. So GNOME desktop, we already done the review. The Cinnamon desktop has been installed, so we don't require the GNOME desktop, so it can be safely removed in the next video. See you in the next video. Bye.